Did you know that muscle decline can begin far earlier than most people imagine? Some research suggests it can start in mid-adulthood, leading to noticeable strength losses each decade. Secret. If you've felt that nagging sense that everyday tasks seem heavier, you are not alone. But here's the encouraging truth. You have real power to change this course. Today we're talking about one habit that can rekindle the feeling of strong, confident movement. How? You might ask, why do I feel weaker now? Let's explore 15 subtle signs that point to slipping muscle power. Keep listening because the final sign might surprise you and spark your next action step. Sign number 15, you walk slower than before. If it takes extra seconds to get from one room to another, or your brisk walks have become more like strolls, that can hint at falling muscle health. Sign number 14, stairs feel like mountains. You used to climb 2 flights without a second thought, and now you pause at each landing. This often means your leg muscles aren't getting the push they need. Sign number 13, you feel more muscle cramps during simple tasks. If your calves or thighs feel tight at random times, that might show that muscles are not getting the support they deserve. Sign number 12, opening jars or lifting grocery bags leaves you winded. Those everyday tasks can reveal more about your grip strength and bicep function than any fancy test at a lab. Sign number 11. You get worn out by light chores. Cooking a meal or tidying a room might lead to a sense of being spent, which can reflect lower muscle endurance. Sign number 10. You have more aches in your joints. When muscles shrink or weaken, joints are forced to do more. Aching knees or shoulders might be a hidden clue that muscle support is dropping. Sign number 9, balance feels shakier. If you wobble while standing on one foot or stepping off curbs, your core and leg muscles may not be firing as well as they should. Sign number 8, you skip protein in your meals more often. Changes in taste or routine can cause people to miss out on crucial nutrients. Without enough protein, muscle repair takes a hit. Sign number 7, your clothes fit differently, especially around the arms or thighs. A subtle loosening of certain outfits can mean muscle tissue is gradually fading. Sign number 6, there's a craving for sugary snacks instead of balanced meals. This can keep you from eating foods that fuel muscle repair and growth. Sign number 5, you feel sudden fatigue when you try to lift moderate objects, like a small box. Muscle power can fade in the blink of an eye when your body isn't equipped with the right nutrients or stimulus. Sign number 4, you sense a dull heaviness in your body when you do normal movements like bending or squatting. It might feel like your body's own weight is working against you. Sign number 3, you have more difficulty pushing yourself up from a chair. It used to be automatic, now it feels like a mini workout. Sign number 2, you notice a decline in your ability to stand tall with good posture. Slouching can be a sign that supporting muscles in your back and core aren't holding you up like they once did. And finally, sign number 1, you have that tiny voice in your mind that says, is this how I'm going to feel from now on? This single doubt can be the biggest wake-up call. Why? It's that sign telling you, wait, I need to do something right now. So if any of these 15 signals feel familiar, don't get discouraged. There's a proven path forward. Let's move to the heart of our talk, the one daily habit to restore muscle strength. But before we reveal that main habit, let's explore 5 important pillars that help you win back your physical power. Each one is backed by science, and they all fit under the single habit we'll talk about at the end. Pillar 1, smart resistance training. Challenge your muscles so they know they're needed. Studies from respected journals show that even simple movements done with intention can help you gain strength. You don't need to hoist huge weights. Bodyweight exercises can work wonders like push-ups against a wall or gentle squats onto a chair. The key is progressive overload. That means making the challenge a bit harder each time, whether by adding a few more reps or slowing down your tempo. This steady progression can flip a switch in your body, telling your muscles to adapt. There's a research piece from McMaster University hinting that intensity may even trump volume. The bottom line, if you give your muscles a reason to grow, they will answer. Pillar 2, adequate protein intake. Yes, protein is the raw material for muscle repair. Think of your body like a workshop. When you work out, you create tiny tears in your muscles that must be stitched back together. That stitching process is called muscle protein synthesis. Protein is the main thread in that process. Experts from nutrition journals say adults can benefit from about 1.2 to 1.6 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight each day. That's a fancy way to say eat enough high-quality protein sources like lean chicken, fish, eggs, or beans across your meals. Don't wait until dinner to load up. Spread it out, aiming for around 25 to 40 grams each meal. Remember, variety helps you get essential amino acids like leucine, which spark the repair cycle. Pillar 3, essential nutrients and supplements. One name that keeps popping up in studies is creatine monohydrate. This simple compound helps your muscles recycle energy. By improving ATP stores, creatine can support short, intense bursts of movement and may help you lift more or do extra reps. Another big nutrient is vitamin D, sometimes nicknamed the muscle vitamin. Low levels of it can reduce your muscle strength and coordination. Check your levels, and if they're low, consider supplementation with D3 and maybe K2, but always talk with a pro first. Omega-3 fatty acids also deserve a mention. These healthy fats support muscle by helping manage inflammation in your body. Pillar 4, recovery through sleep and hydration. You don't grow while you lift, you grow while you rest. Sleep is a prime time for your body to release growth factors that help repair cells. If you cut short your sleep, cortisol levels can rise, which slows muscle growth. Aim for 7 to 9 hours each night. As for hydration, muscles rely on water to transport nutrients and remove waste. Just a small drop in fluid balance can reduce performance and the ability to recover after activity. Pillar 5, tame inflammation and keep nerves talking to muscles. Chronic low-grade inflammation can sneak in and chip away at muscle mass. An anti-inflammatory style of eating helps a lot here, with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats, like olive oil. There's also the nerve-muscle link. When nerves stop firing signals as strongly, muscles don't activate as well. Activities that combine movement with mental focus, like dance or Tai Chi, can keep these connections sharp. Certain B vitamins may also help. Now, how do these pillars connect to that one daily habit? It's simpler than you might guess. Prioritize a short, focused strength and nutrition routine each day. That's it. A daily practice that involves a brief series of resistance moves paired with proper protein and enough rest. For example, you might do a set of air squats, wall push-ups, and calf raises, then follow that with a balanced breakfast that has at least 25 grams of protein. That small action can trigger huge gains over time. Secret. Another tip that might boost results is using a beetroot extract supplement called Ultrabeet. Research from journals like the Journal of Applied Physiology shows that the nitrates in beets can enhance blood flow. This can aid oxygen delivery to muscles, supporting better stamina and recovery. Some people shy away from beetroot juice because of the taste. That's where Ultrabeet can help, since it's offered in capsule form, easy to swallow, no strong taste, and there's a special coupon in the description if you want to give it a try. If you've had problems keeping your strength up, consider trying a short routine that fits your life. The difference can be amazing. Just 2 or 3 sets of body weight work plus enough protein has changed the lives of many. Studies even show that routine strength workouts can support joint health, better mood, and more steady balance. Small steps can lead to major progress. The muscle you build will serve you in everything you do, lifting objects, climbing steps, and even standing up straight when it matters. How? Here's where you can jump in. Pick one moment each day to do a simple set of movements. Maybe it's right after you wake up or at lunch or after dinner. Pair that movement with a meal that has enough protein. These steps come together to tell your muscles, yes, we need you. Over time, your body gets the message, and once that cycle of challenge and repair becomes normal, you'll see real change in your energy and strength. Why? You might wonder why it works so well. Our bodies are wired to adapt. Give muscles a reason to grow, and they will. Give them the right nutrients, and they will build themselves back stronger than yesterday. Sleep and hydration act like the glue that holds it all together. Managing inflammation and supporting nerve function add an extra layer of protection. Now, which of these tips do you think will help you the most? Share your thoughts below. Let everyone know your plan and help encourage others too. Remember, if you're brand new to working out or thinking of adding any new supplement, it's wise to consult a qualified health professional. A quick chat can set your mind at ease and make sure you're on the right track. Yes, muscle decline can feel scary, but it's not a sentence. Every single pillar we talked about builds momentum toward better muscle power. If you missed any sign from our countdown, feel free to rewind and check. The final sign, that little voice of doubt, is your cue to stand up and say, I'm changing this. That is the real power, the simple decision to take action. So to sum it up, pay attention to those 15 signs. Even if just a couple apply, they mean your body could use extra help. The single daily habit, short intentional resistance training paired with smart nutrition, will light up the path towards stronger days. Stick with it, and you may be shocked by how you feel in a few months. According to many studies, the body is ready to adapt when you challenge it regularly. Thanks for being here with me. I hope you found encouragement and real hope in these words.